Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Today, we have a very special unboxing. Oh, and here it is. I've been waiting for this package to arrive forever, and it's finally arrived. Let's see what it is. All right, let's open this up. Can't wait to see what it is. All righty. Okay. Okay. There. Okay. So this right here must be the charger. Wow, it looks like it came with the European charger. So I guess I'm gonna have to get a replacement for this. I'll let you guys take a quick look at what it is. If you haven't guessed it, I'm sure you'll have a better idea once I take it out the box. Oh, yes. I'll place it right here. Oh my God. If you haven't guessed what it is, it's the Wide Wheel dual motor electric scooter. Oh wow. This is amazing. It's actually bigger than what I thought. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait to test drive this thing. The Wide Wheel electric scooter. See, I'm trying to transition to all electric. And I find that the electric scooter is a perfect addition to the Tesla family. And I'm going to be placing this electric scooter in the trunk of my Model 3. So I get additional miles. Oh, what a beauty. The electric wide wheel. Oh, yes. So before I can use it, I got to charge it up. I'm going to read the instructions here and see how long I'm going to charge it up for. But this is the unboxing of the wide wheel. Dual motor. Gets you about 40 kilometers per hour. You have the ability to unlock the speed so it goes faster. And I'll definitely be doing that. But yeah, it finally came in the mail. And I can tell you the build quality, yeah, really, really good. Feels really sturdy. Really, really good. Really nice. Oh, yes. The wide wheel electric scooter. Alright, I'll definitely be doing more videos, but that's another video. That's all I gotta say. So, thank you, and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.